Hi. Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can buy YouTube Premium with Apple gift card. It's a very simple thing to do. So what you have to do, first go to youtube.com and log into your account. Now what you have to do, click on your profile icon from the top right. Now here you can see purchases and memberships. So you can see here premium, select this one. Now you have to try 1 month for beauty. Now select the plans. You can buy the individual, family and student, and select individual, then try 1 month. Now what you have to do, you have to enter your payment details. Now you have to select add credit or debit card, then select buy. Now enter your Apple gift card number, dates equal to there, and select save card, and it will be detect. It will be you can buy premium, YouTube Premium by following these steps. So that's it. That's how you can buy YouTube Premium with your Apple gift card. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like. Thank you for watching.